Well, good morning to y'all. I just thought I'd share a nice, healthy, semi-healthy breakfast with you guys. Something really good. It may sound unusual, but it's good for you in the morning. Now, what I'm having, because I like egg and potato salad, and I like taters. So I just did a light mustard mayonnaise potato salad with some boiled egg in it, okay? So I got myself some tater salad here. Got myself a banana. And I drizzled some really nice, our local state honey on top of it, okay? And now I'm having some of this organic apple juice. And this is a really good brand. It's not from concentrated. It's straight apple juice. It's got the nice stuff in the bottom. You shake it up. And a wonderful Yoplait original, no GMO'd, made with real fruit yogurt. That's really good, okay? So I just thought I'd share y'all my breakfast this morning. Now, I had coffee earlier, of course. As my hat says, not before coffee. But I already had my little cups of coffee. I have this size here. I don't drink big old honking cups of coffee. This is what I drink. Just a nice little cup of coffee. All right? And I had 2.5, almost 3 cups of that size. Okay, so just having myself a little egg mustard with a little bit of mayonnaise. Not a whole lot of mayonnaise. I get that real mayonnaise stuff, or I'll make it myself. But I got the little jar of real mayonnaise. A banana with just drizzled honey on it, because a lot of people like pancakes. Well, instead of having pancakes with the bread and the gluten and all that, you'd have a banana with your local honey on it. And I like to buy my local honey because it helps with allergies and stuff. And then a little yogurt and some really good apple juice. Now, it costs a little more for this apple juice, but it is true apple juice. It's about the best you can buy without making you out, okay? But I just thought I'd share breakfast with y'all and say good morning, and I hope y'all are doing well. A lot of bad stuff is going on in this world right now. And sometimes you just need a video that don't have anything to do with anything. Breakfast, okay? So I love y'all. I just thought I'd share this little 2-3 minute video with you. Give you a little break from all this news and stuff. Gets on your nerves after a while. Alrighty? So just take and slice you up a nice little, banana. And we're trying to grow our own bananas. We're trying to grow a lot of things here. But slice you up an organic banana or plantain or whatever you like. And put a little local honey and a little egg. You could just have boiled eggs if you don't like tater salad. But I personally like tater salad. So I just put a boiled egg in my tater salad. And a yogurt, and there's your really lovely breakfast. Now, if you want something hot, because a lot of folks do like hot, you can have like a small little thing. Hold on, I'll show you. Okay, I had to pull a small little thing about this size of like oatmeal or a warm cereal, malto meal, oatmeal, whatever you like, and put some fruit on top of it if you want something warm for breakfast to go along with all this. Okay? So I just thought I'm not having oatmeal this morning. So I'm just letting y'all know what you can have for breakfast that is a little more healthier than your fried eggs, your bacon, those pancakes. I know those are all good. But try to go a little healthier, and it might help you a little bit more. I love y'all. And do it God's way, not your own way, and hope you have a great morning. Take a break from the news if you have to, okay? Love y'all.